Okay, today was so strange. I had my second shift at the storage place and it was like a nightmare. And then not a nightmare and then a nightmare again. So who knows what's gonna happen with this job. But it was like, I can't even begin to explain how, I have no words. It was a very strange day. It was a very strange shift, but it's over now. And actually I came home to a really good surprise. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So for those of you who don't remember, we used to have a husky named Blue who passed away right after Christmas, like the first week of January. And so I had this portrait done of him. And so when Lenny passed away earlier this month, I got another portrait done for him. And as soon as I got home from that crazy shift today, it was sitting on my doorstep. So this is Lenny's portrait of our sweet baby boy who we love and miss so much. But she did an amazing job. Her name is Riri Draws, and she just does these amazing pet portraits. So I really recommend go check her out on Instagram, and she can like do it where, you know, if you order one, she can send you the digital file and stuff. But like she got his face so perfect, like. She's amazing. Like, she does such great work, so I really recommend her. But yeah, we're gonna put it, like, right here for our little buddy who we love. See that thing I like? Cleans up very nicely. Mm-hmm. What's this?
Headlights.
Headlights.
Scusi.
What's the inside like?
Looks like a truck.
Doesn't even look that dirty. Wow. Romantic.
Yeah, I'll go for date night later?
Yeah. Where are we going for date night?
We gotta get that car.
Oh. I don't know that qualifies as a date night.
Oh, it'll be fun.
Yeah.
What else you got going on?
I guess nothing
If
really.
you have a better offer, feel free to take it.
I have no other suitors.
Usually use a break.
You are my only gentleman caller. You're like Karate Kidding almost, except it's not waxing a car. Cobra Kai.
Degreasing on, degreasing off.
Yeah.
Gone?
Yeah?
Passenger one?
No, the driver one. Well, you said that headlight. There's two headlights.
I assume. Well, neither of them are on.
Well, yeah, the headlight's on. That light is on. This... Is that not a headlight?
Oh. I think I found the problem.
What's the problem?
This?
Yeah, see, this headlight was on. Oh, now it's off. Was it never on?
I don't think I ever saw it on.
What? No, it's totally on. I can see that it's on. Everyone else can also see that it's on.
Oh, you're right, I'm wrong.
Yeah.
I'll deal with that at a later date.
Well, what was wrong with it?
It just needs the connector redone.
Oh. See, from up here, it doesn't look like it's on. But then when you, like, change your angle, you can see that it's on. So, it's like when that dress thing was going around. Is it gold? Is it blue? Did you do that?
I didn't wear a dress, no.
No, what color did you see for that dress?
Oh, I don't know. I don't remember that.
Oh. I need you to pay more attention to popular culture.
No thanks.
Fair enough. So, I feel like you're wondering, why am I walking around with a towel on my head? Well, I finished my shift at the storage place, came home for a little bit, we had lunch, and then I was like, oh, I'm going to go in and shower. And then I ended up taking a nap for 2 hours, and Darren woke me up like 10 minutes ago to go, you gotta go do a thing. And I needed a shower real bad still, so I had the fastest shower of my life. And now we're gonna go, no I don't. And now we're gonna go, what are we doing?
You want to pick up pieces of a car.
We're gonna go pick up pieces of a car. But you know, sometimes you just gotta make do with the time you have. And hopefully my hair dries soon. Okay, bye. Ooh, I'll drop my phone. So, we just made it down our street. So far, we have stalled twice. It's not charging.
We don't got far to go, we'll make it.
No, at least we're not going too far. But, like, you might be pushing it back with the parts of the car and the...
If it's not a truck, it's a wagon. It's fine. We'll make it.
We'll manifest it into reality that it will be fine and we will make it. Y'all know I'm all about that manifestation life, so the power of positive thinking.
It's a field car.
Hi.
Push car.
Not like this.
No.
Sit up like
Hi.
city cars.
Exactly, but rough. Like this is nice compared to this.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
I mean, this doesn't have holes all across the bottom.
Yeah.
All around the walk into the. I mean, this is nothing compared to stuff you got out there.
This is, I mean, really, it looks rough because it's all apart, but like it just needs a couple of those patch panels.
Yeah,
You're so cute. Who cares about a car when you're a cute little puppy? Hey,
no.
hey little puppy. Aww.
Sure. Yeah. Stepping over top of stuff.
Where are they going? Puppy break. Hi. No, come from my pets. Come from my pets. Hi. Yeah, so this is just going to be the dog montage. Yeah, you tell him. Yeah, you tell him. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You're so cute, Fluffy. I guess I should probably help. Though I don't really want to help. Seriously? So, there's a pile. Just a pile of parts. Who else has a pile of parts that will make a car? And what car are you making? I guess that's all I want to know. Okay, back to the puppy. Yeah! You tell him. As I trip and fall.